What does the YouTube TV Guide look like? The YouTube TV Guide is designed to make navigating channels and content simple and intuitive. Here's an overview of its layout and features. Number 1. Library section. Contains all your saved recordings from the unlimited cloud DVR. Organizes on-demand content and recorded programs for easy access. Displays shows and movies added to your library. Number 2. Home section. Offers personalized recommendations based on your viewing history. Highlights trending content and upcoming shows. Features quick access to recently watched programs. Number 3. Live section. Displays the live channel guide for browsing current and upcoming programming. Organized in a grid format showing channels on the left and schedules on the right. Allows easy scrolling to see programs for the day or later in the week. Number 4. Customizable Live Guide. Lets you rearrange and hide channels according to your preferences. Enables a focused view of only your favorite channels. Number 5. Real-time updates. Shows currently airing content with descriptions and progress bars. Indicates upcoming shows to help plan your viewing schedule. Number 6. Interactive features. Users can click or tap on a show to view more details or start watching immediately. Provides options to record a show or add it to your library.